Okay, really quick, I just wanted to show you what my view of Dojo looks like so you kind of understand the process. So on this Portfolios tab, this is where I can actually show or create an activity for you kids. So today my assignment was Hey Little Ant, and I wanted you to fill in the ending. And you can see that Mrs. Thomas can tell 2 out of 14 kids have submitted that activity. So by using this activity tab, whether it's text entry, which today's was a video recording, a photo, or a drawing, it's the quickest and easy way that I can give you the credit on Dojo with points and with giving the grade in the grade book. So just so you are very clear that the way that we can take attendance for students is through Dojo for my class. Other classes might be using Seesaw or Google Chat or Google Classroom or whatever they decide. This is my platform. So by you being active, I can give attendance and say that yes, this student is present. So I just want to make sure that you know that. And this is the easiest way for me to categorize, because what's going to happen is next week I'm going to create an activity, and on Monday I'll probably do something fun. On Tuesday I will definitely do a photo activity, and I will call it Reading Day 2 because it's what's happening on the second day of the week. And then in the instructions I will say post a photo of your 5-finger retell. So I'm going to be very specific, but I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible.